Get ready for legal words, advanced outlines dictation. Start. It is contended on behalf of the defendant. It is contended on behalf of the accused appellant. It is contended on behalf of the complainant. It is contended on behalf of the petitioner. It is contended on behalf of the plaintiff. It was contended on behalf of the defendant. It was urged by the learned counsel of the defense. Learned counsel for the accused argued before me. Learned counsel for the defendant argued before me. Learned judge of the High Court on the date of incident, on the date of occurrence, on the date of offense, orders to be destroyed, ordered to be returned, possession and enjoyment of the house, possession and enjoyment of the land, possession and enjoyment of the schedule mentioned property, possession and enjoyment of the suit house, possession and enjoyment of the suit schedule house, public service commission, quasi judicial proceedings, sentence to suffer, sentence to suffer, specific relief, specific time to limitation, state public service commission. Taking all these facts into consideration, there is good force in the contention. There is no good force in this contention. There is good force in this contention. Urged on behalf of the accused appellant, urged on behalf of the defendant, vehemently argued before me, vehemently argued before me by the learned counsel for the accused, vehemently argued before me by the learned counsel for the defendant, vehemently argued before me by the learned counsel for the plaintiff, with which he is charged, with which they are charged. Amicus curiae caused disturbance to the public peace. Claim for alimony, claim for compensation, commission warrant, cooperative movement, doctrine of stare decisis, Hindu law of inheritance, Hindu Women's Rights to Property Act, housebreaking by night, husband and wife. I am of the firm view, in order to bring home the guilt of the accused, insult, annoy, or intimidate, insult, intimidate, or annoy, intimidate, annoy, or insult, intimidate, insult, or annoy. It is further ordered by the learned public prosecutor. It is well established law. It is submitted by the learned advocate for the accused. It is submitted by the learned advocate for the defendant. It is submitted by the learned advocate for the plaintiff. It should go to so. May I take this opportunity? State Reorganization Act strictly scrutinized, subject to objection, suo motu, tenants in common. There is good force in this contents allegation. This would go to so. Misjoinder of causes of action, order of inheritance, predecessor in interest, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, private defense, proximate result, speaking order, special magistrate.